What's up, bros? A 36-pack retail box of 22-23 MVP hockey. In terms of odds, these are very similar to gravity feed packs, so slightly worse than blasters, with no gold script parallels and slightly worse odds of other shiny inserts. This whole box was $39.99 plus tax, shipped on eBay, so comparable to one blaster of 21-22 and being Prism or Optic. So let's crack it wide open. We start with Chris Kreider, who I think should be a Rangers captain. And our first insert is domains of Igor Shesterkin. I think Rangers are relying too much on Shesterkin this season after he won a Vezina. And John Tavares pinpoints regular silver, not a gold parallel. Yeah, so I feel like after Shesterkin won Vezina, Rangers stopped playing defense completely. It's not like they were playing a lot of it last season, but this season, yeah, like they forgot that their own zone exists, and that's why the results are suffering badly. This is really a Rangers box with Chris Kreider 20-year anniversary insert, which is of course good for me because Rangers is my local team. And Jakub Voracek silver script. Alex DeBrincat, a fresh Ottawa Senator. Patrice Bergeron. I'm so happy that players like Bergeron and Krejci still playing, because these are only a few players who are older than me in the league. Foxy Elvis Merzlikins, who seems to be replaced by Daniil Tarasov in Blue Jackets net. Domains of Patrick Kane. He looks a little bit frustrated in this photo. Talbot. Luffy, because we all love to his production. He had a good start of the season, but yeah, slowing down again, unfortunately. Marcus Foligno, Ken Johnson, Carter Hart. I'm really surprised how well Philly is playing this season. I guess it's really like when you invite Tortorella as a coach, it makes a difference, at least in the beginning. Because yeah, I think he says, okay, bros, like if pinpoints silver good draw, regular, not a gold version. Yeah, I guess Tortorella says, if you don't play well, boys, I'm gonna insert the hockey stick you are playing with into your fat ass, and it really makes an impact. Brady Tkachuk domains. But this is, of course, not a long-term solution, as we saw. Chris Kreider pinpoints again. Silver would be cool to pull a gold pinpoints. A long-term solution, because as we saw from Tortorella's tenor in Columbus, after some time players get used to hockey sticks being pulled down their ass, and the results tend to deteriorate, so that is what I'm expecting in Philly as well. But the first season, or even the first 2 seasons, might be very reasonable. Yeah, wow, that's truly a Rangers box. Like I would know, we put Kreider 20-year anniversary parallel, and now Shesterkin 20-year anniversary parallel. Really enjoying it as it is the team which I follow closely. I cannot say that I root for Rangers because the tickets are so expensive, and if they go far in playoffs, I might not be able to go to all games. In that sense, my favorite team is NJD, because their tickets are dirt cheap, regardless of how far in playoff they go. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like they will go too far in the playoffs. And encounters on ice, Kane and O'Reilly. I would really prefer if this would be in-game photos of them tackling each other, fighting for a puck. But Upper Deck doesn't care too much of what I prefer. Andrei Svechnikov, another 20-year anniversary insert. Somebody asked me if in MVP packs which have the safety magnet in them have better hits. Unfortunately, I cannot check this with this box because I didn't get any of the safety magnet packs. But this is an interesting card because what's supposed to be a signature is just a name written in the cursive. So I recently learned from one of my subscribers that it's actually like, because Upper Deck can get autos of these players, they just put it in the cursive. In my opinion, if you cannot get autos of the players, you just don't put them into the silver script set, lol, because it looks pretty ridiculous. And we finish with Marc-Andre Fleury, who is really deteriorating. Overall, it was a Rangers heavy box, which is always very, very nice for me. But in terms of hits, it's I would say like average, what you would expect from the MVP retail, because we really didn't get any, for example, pinpoint goals which would be better hits.